Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by opening the updated Google Calendar app and signing into your primary account so events sync across devices. Tap the plus button to create your first event now. Choose title, date, and time. Once done, assign a calendar color and guest list so people see it immediately. Make sure to enable notifications and sync in settings so changes propagate. This gets you past setup and into scheduling with live data, so your phone becomes the central planner. You now add details that prevent back-and-forth confusion. Tap More Options to add a physical address or Google Meet link and paste a short agenda in description to set expectations. Use the repeat menu for recurring patterns and set a specific time zone for travel or remote teams. Once guests are added, adjust guest permissions so attendees can modify or only view. This level of precision reduces scheduling friction and ensures the right people get the right alerts. You finish by tapping Save and choosing to send notifications so guests receive invites immediately. Once saved, verify the event appears on another synced device or the web version to confirm proper sync. If something doesn't show up, force a sync from settings, clear the app cache, or toggle account sync off and on. Reinstall only if necessary. These steps ensure delivery and visibility, so if anything goes wrong, you have one reliable troubleshooting path to restore normal scheduling.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.